friends, just a quick video on this food deal over at Walgreens. My goodness gracious, the deals just keep popping up, and I forgot to make this one a couple days ago when I made my curbside video, but we have these Kellogg's cereal for $1.80 each, which is a stock up price, and this is done curbside. But before I dive into the deal, I just want to wish everyone out there a very happy 4th. If you're going out this evening, please be safe and have a wonderful day. And even if you are not about going specifically to the store today, if you put this curbside order in, you can go and pick it up on Friday or Saturday, and it's a fantastic deal. But the first piece of business I want to talk about is 2 boosters that have been showing up in the last 2 days. This one is for next week, a 10 back when you spend 45. I think my other card had a 10 back when you spend 40. So make sure you go and load those right away. They should be at the top of your digital coupons folder. And then this one, which is a 5 back when you spend 20 on P&G products. And this is online only. Load both of those. While you're putting in your curbside order, if your store might have any more of these dark M&Ms, they're a bag of them, a sizable bag too. It's the share a size bag. They're $1.49. Grabbing 2 of them for $2.98. We have $1.50 off 2. It's applying, so I would use it. So it makes it $1.48 for the 2 bags, or I think like 74 cents per bag, which is a really good price point. So, I would definitely, if you can track it down, and you have no problems using that digital, it's applying, I would make this deal happen. Okay, so the first deal, we're doing this curbside, ordering it through the cell phone, driving to the store and picking it up. You're getting 6 boxes of the Kellogg's cereal. You pick whichever ones you want. They are the 7.9 ounce boxes, so they're pretty sizable. Frosted Flakes, Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks, you can mix and match, but we're aiming for 6 boxes. I just threw 6 into the cart, 3 of the Apple Jacks and 3 of the Fruit Loops. And 3 for $5.99, so it's buy 1, get 2 for free. Now, doing this as a curbside is a bit more advantageous because you can use a coupon code with it, which is WAG10, to save an extra $1.20 off. Now, in store, you can't do that, but on a curbside, you get extra savings. So that's why I'm like, I would definitely do this as a curbside pickup. Looking at your overall basket, guys, it's $11.98, subtracting that $1.20. Curbside pickup is free. This is food, so there's no tax on it. So the total is $10.78. It makes every box roughly about $1.80 each. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay 78 cents. If you have a house full of kids for the summer, perhaps a really great and easy breakfast to have on hand. Deal number 2 that we're going to look at. We're going to throw in 2 of these M&M minis. Now, I was able to find a lot more of these share a size bags than the dark chocolate. I think the dark chocolate's been on clearance for a really long time, so probably just regular shoppers have been buying them. But 2 of these is $5.98. Now, we have this goofy digital coupon that's applying to the 2 bags. Even though you're supposed to buy like an ice cream and then one of these, it's applying to both. So I would go for it if you have no problem with that. If you have a problem with it, I would just do the straight cereal deal. We're also throwing in 3 boxes of cereal. If Apple Jacks is not your speed, if you wanted to grab Frosted Flakes or the Fruit Loops or whichever ones you want, by all means, go for it. Not every Kellogg's cereal is part of this, though. So you're really going to have to go to the app and see what your store has in stock and make a deal happen from there. To get the math to balance, we have to throw in something cheap. So I threw in a toilet paper for 79 cents. Just showing you the code WAG10 is taking $1.13 off, plus that $1.50 off for the 2 bags of the M&Ms. So a little bit of savings right there for you, and it's just an alternative deal. And if you're busy on the 4th and you cannot make it out to Walgreens, you can pick it up, I believe, in the next 3 days. So just to answer that question, if you wanted to put this order in and then pick it up in 3 days, that's cool. So $12.76 for all the items, $1.13 coming off with WAG10, and another $1.50 off with that digital coupon. The total is $10.17. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it and you're doing this deal with no booster, and 17 cents for that haul I think is a very smart deal. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.